Muingi mwena wa Kajiado ni uritio kwamba kurora nyama iria maragura kana ni thurime wega na igetikirio mbere ya kumigura, kuona huri biacara ino ni maramakungia wara. Kiama kia Ndagitari ya mahiu gitaro-ini kia Afrika nikio kiheanite mukana uyu, makiuga kuri na nyama nyingi irendio thoko-ini itari ndore wagiriru wayo.
If you have more slaughter facilities in a country, more than the inspecting officer, then chances are that some of the meat will not be inspected, simply because we don't have enough staff to do that that role. And that will give other people an opportunity just to slaughter animals wherever they will be, or in their homes, or in the bushes.
Murugamiriri munene wa kiama giki Benson Odor augite biacara ino matuko-ini maica ikuhi ndikoretwo na utheri, akiuga muingi ukoretwo gwati-ini wa kuria nyama ndwaru.
We need to audit all slaughter facilities in Kenya to be sure that the personnel that are in those facilities are actually qualified, to ensure that those facilities are inspected annually, because there are chances that some of the slaughterhouses are not even inspected.
Kiama giki ningi ni maugite kuri na huri biacara aingi matari na marua maria metikiritio ni thirikari, makiuga kuererwo kwa ruhonge rwa nyama KMC ni biraru ni guteithitie makiria arimi a mahiu kuma mwena wa Kajiado.
We would love all slaughterhouses, or most of them, to be under such independent authorities. Let us remember that in Kenya, meat inspection has been devolved. Ownership of slaughterhouses is privatized.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimu.